My handsome little man. Yeah, he's supposed to have blue eyes. Go. Are you gonna go? Oh, no. Why are you gonna cry? Hungry? Are you hungry? He's shivering. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Logie. Grey's Anatomy, Logan, and Daddy. You had Connor, it would be perfect.
Mom will be a happy woman.
Yeah. Oh. Hello. Hello, birds. Oh. Come here. Do you want to come say hi? Say hi, Logan.
Read?
Read a book? You're not even going to go there?
Daddy, read book.
Can you say hi to Logan, Connor? Okay.
Daddy, read?
Sure, we can
He
read.
wants to eat.
Read?
Okay, come on, Steve.
Oh. Oh. Oh, no.
Oh, good job. Such a good share.
That was nice to share.
Good job, buddy. Good job.
No, did you blow a kiss to
You
him?
blow a kiss to him?
Okay.
Oh, did you blow a kiss to him?
I
Oh, it's so nice. High five. Good job. That was so nice. You blow kisses to Logan. Logan?
You gave him a kiss? Oh. Ooh, careful.
Baby.
Careful, Logan, please. Be careful. He is a little baby. You scratch him, pat back.
kitchen.
No.
Oh, no hot.
Right there.
Nope.
And I've got great friends and a wonderful boyfriend. You left out Canada. Why do I got my brain?
These.
I can find another guest star.
Don't really, if I tell her now, it'll ruin her holiday special.
Well, yeah, and if you don't tell her and she finds out that we knew he was cheating, she's gonna hate me.
Hey, Mama. Hey, Daddy. No, no, no. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, L, and sa, A, B, C, S, E. Big. No?
Do you need to buy baby slurpee? Oh. My little boy. Oh, my little boy. I mean, I'm pretty sure you just made a humongous mess in your drawers there. Pretty sure you made a big fat turdy. Okay, well, that's splattery turdy. You want me big fat turdy.
Tell us more.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oops. I'm sorry. Forever preserved. I'm sorry. I hope that doesn't embarrass you when you're 16.
Well, when we tell his prom date, he's going to be embarrassed.
No.
Show him the video.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't know Daddy was raped.
Jeez. Where are your camouflage pants? What kind of pants are they? What kind are they?
And twist, right.
Ah.
Time to load up, Coco. Now drive around the yard and get a feel for that weight.
Okay.
She's that easy key. I don't know. Guessing the weight might be really
Daddy.
see.
Oh, Dad, put your hat back on?
Okay, Dunbar, change the load, please.
There you go. Pepper.
Feather's got your sock. Feather's got your sock.
Oh, well, now.
Ah,
Oh, well, now.
I'll get it out for you.
I'm gonna get it out.
Daddy will get it.
I'm gonna get it out.
No, I'm pretty sure that sock is gone now. Wouldn't worry about that anymore. shoes, buddy.
You gotta grab the sock.
I got it.
I got it.
Carter, there's the other shoe over there. Will you wear both of them? You wear both?
You can't. No. Cheese. Cheese.
You say cheese?
Carter, will you put these slippers on? Will you put them both on?
Okay.
Okay.
Connor, what color are your pants? Are they camouflage?
What color are your pants?
Wait.
White? What color? Can you see camouflage? Show mommy your pants.
Nope.
Hey, where's your nose? Where's your nose? Come here, bud. Hey. Connor. Where's your nose? Where's your tongue? Where's your tongue?
Open.
Where is your tongue? Where's your tongue? Where's your tongue?
Tara.
Yeah. Looking good.
Nice glasses.
And me.
Putting them on the camera.
Good sharing.
Me? Dear. I.
Hi.
Tara. Daddy got it. Daddy got it. Hi, go, Daddy.
Thank you, buddy.
There.
Yeah.
There.
Start over.
Okay, now do your ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, book. B, book.
Gentle. Oh, thank you. Ah! We got put back in his mouth. Oh, he's all done. He went night-night. Look. Oh, you made it go night-night, Connor. Look.
I know.
Look at his shirt. What's on his shirt? Do you see what's on Logan's shirt? Mom's going to put Logan's name.
Okay.
Dance.
You put Daddy's hand on Logan again. Here you go.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Are you fixing Daddy's hand? Connor, wanna see Logie dance? Connor, look. Connor, look.
Hi, cool Daddy. Hi, cool Daddy.
You wanna hold him? Gentle.
Careful.
Daddy, hold it.
Gentle, gentle.
Daddy, hold it.
You wanna hold him?
You want
wanna
Connor to
hold
hold?
Daddy, hold it.
You wanna hold Logan?
Daddy.
Do you wanna hold Logan, Connor? Do you wanna hold him? Logan's looking at me like, what are you, crazy?
Connor, do you want to hold Logan? There's Logan.
Do you wanna hold him?
Where is he?
With you.
You see him?
Do you wanna hold him?
Hi there.
Do you wanna hold him?
I found a Logan.
You found Logan?
Daddy,
I spy Logan.
right here.
There he is.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi,
Hi, Connor.
Who's that? Who's that right there?
Careful, gentle, gentle.
Daddy, Mel.
Hey, Connor, do you wanna hold Logan?
Daddy, Mel. Daddy, Mel.
Daddy's mouth.
Daddy, hand.
Daddy's hand. Oh, thank you.
Daddy, hand.
Daddy's hand.
Here goes. Mommy. Uh-oh.
Oh.
I done turn up. I done Daddy, Mommy. I done Daddy, Mommy. I done.
All done with Daddy, Mommy?
Okay. Okay.
All right, say bye-bye then. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Wait. Papa. Hello, Papa. Hello.
Connor, get that out of your mouth, honey. Connor. Take it out of your mouth, please. Out. Ugh. Thank you. Okay.
Hi.
Hi, dog.
No, Daddy.
Hey, Fresh Prince.
Hello.
camera.
Could you do something, please, with your camera?
Camera. Area. Oh, no, right here. I see.
Okay, here it is.
I see.
We're gonna read dinosaur, okay?
I see.
Alright, here we go. What's it say?
I see.
Can you see what I see? Very good.
Mommy.
Alright.
That's a
A dinosaur that's red.
yeah.
Yeah.
There's a rock
A dinosaur that's brown.
there.
Right there.
Mommy.
Dinosaur that's up.
Right there.
Right there.
That's so down.
A dinosaur that's down.
Right
Right
there.
there. Very good. Connor, what about this one?
Mommy.
Oh,
Connor, are you ready to brush your teeth? Hey,
No.
are you ready to go brush your teeth?
I did nobody.
No, Mommy's gonna brush Connor's teeth. Are you ready? Let's go brush Connor's teeth. You ready?
I did Tano.
No, Mommy will brush Connor's teeth. No, Mommy. Mommy. No, Mommy will do it. No, Mommy will brush your teeth. No, Mommy will do it.
are you gonna use that brush to brush your teeth?
That's not a toothbrush. That's for your hair. Are you ready to go to bed? Let's go brush your teeth. Come on, let's go brush your teeth. No, Mommy's gonna brush Connor's teeth. No, Mommy's gonna brush your teeth.
Will you-
Mommy's gonna brush your
Will you
teeth.
brush your teeth with that brush?
Mommy's gonna brush your teeth. You ready? No, I think Mommy will do it. No, Mommy will do it. Connor! Come on. Can you give me Daddy, please? And Mommy's gonna brush your teeth.
Okay. Tana.
Okay, Mommy's gonna brush them.
Tana.
Mommy! No,
Tana.
Mommy's gonna brush them.
Tana.
Oh no, Mommy's gonna brush them.
Boom.
No, Mommy's gonna brush your teeth.
Tana.
Oh, Mommy.
Tana.
No, Mommy will do it.
Tana.
Mommy. Mommy.
Tana.
Mommy.
Tana.
Mommy.
Tana.
Mommy. Mommy.
Mommy.
Come on. Hey! Go brush, brush, brush!
Here's the third clip. I want to take you to a college jello eating contest.
He's knocking at me.
We join it in progress.
Come on, dude!
play. Help. Oh.